Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we did learn a few months back that Microsoft might be pushing some AI capabilities on non-Copilot plus PCs and PCs without an NPU or neural processing unit by using the GPU, your graphics processor. Now, this is only for NVIDIA processors, graphics processors. Right now, there's no telling that it will, it might go to other machines with different graphics GPUs too at some point. But right now, they're focusing with NVIDIA. But one of the things also that happens is that, of course, graphics GPUs have memory. So some have dedicated memory. Now, this one here is not a NVIDIA, it's an AMD Radeon graphics, but it does have a dedicated 4 gigabyte of memory. And of course, it has shared memory, which is the memory shared with the main RAM on your PC. Now, one of the things that they want to do is when that feature will be turned on, you will have the ability to choose how much of the dedicated GPU memory you want to actually apply to AI. So there'll be kind of a slider, and you'll be able to just say, well, I want only this amount of GPU memory to be used for AI, and the rest will be used for, the graphics capabilities. And this is because they will have a new way of treating the RAM memory and the GPU memory, which are two separate things. So this GPU memory is a chip with 4 gigabytes, and the RAM is a RAM, and it's a different thing. So what's going to happen is they have a unified memory module that they will add to Windows, and that will actually make the total memory, so here in this case 14 gigabytes shared, 4 gigabytes dedicated, they'll actually put that together as an 18 gigabyte space of RAM, of memory that you can use. And of course, there will be a slider that's going to say, well, how much RAM you want to dedicate to the GPU and how much you want to dedicate to the AI. So that will eventually show up in future versions. It's not even being tested right now. So that's going to be Microsoft's attempt to bring AI to machines that don't have, any AI dedicated capabilities with the neural processing unit, or, if you don't have a Copilot plus PC type machine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.